Merry Christmas everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna do something very fun and special as it is Christmas. So let's get started. So for doing this craft we would need a green paper and we would need glue stick and we would need scissors. Now what we need to do, let's take all these things away. But we would need the green paper. Now we would need like this size, like hand size, 6 papers, and you will need to fold them in this manner, like this. So you will need to fold all the 6 papers the same way, and all the 6 papers should be the same size also. Now what we need to do is we need to stick all the papers like this, in this manner. So I'll show you. Okay, so I'll show you how. So as you can see, it's like this, and then you put glue over this side. Okay, so we're gonna put some glue there. So we put glue on this side. Now we're gonna close the glue and we're gonna put it so like that. See? Now and here too. So we need to stick all the papers the same way. Okay? So now let's start. So now using your color pencil, you will need to draw a tree shape. And as you can see, I finished sticking all of the sheets. Just like this. Now, we need to draw a tree shape as I told you. So I'll show you how. First, take a pencil and draw like this. It's better to use a color pencil as you can see it better, more clearly, and it's good if you use a darker color, so it will be easy to see. Now as you can see, like this, you'll need to make the leaf. So like that, and it's even good if you have a more sharper knife, so it would be easy to cut through. Okay. Now when you reach the end part, you'll need to just draw a straight line, and it should be a bit shorter, like this. Okay, now as you can see the outline of the tree, we're going to cut it out. All done, like that. So you'll need to cut it. Okay. Okay, now as you can see, I cut it out like this. Now let's open this up. So as you can see, you will need to open these up one by one, like that. And you will need to open all of these. Okay, so I unfolded everything and I got this. So if you got this like this, then it means that you did it right. Okay, Now it's for the decorations. You would need a nail polish. Okay, so as you can see, I took nail polish in two colors, like pink and a golden red. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to open this up first. Okay, now we take the tree and we put some polka dots there, like that. And we put it all over the tree. So now we are done with the decorations. So now we just need to put a star, and the trunk of the tree should be brown. But we can make the trunk as black color. So you would need acrylic paint, black color. Okay, now we take it and paint it with a sponge like this. So I take the sponge, I pour some black color in, and I take the sponge and color it black. So we can color it like this. Okay, so after you're done, then we are going to make. Now as we can see, there are two stars and we need two stars, and we're going to stick it on the top of the tree like this. So I'm going to open up. Okay, now go to the back side of the star and put some glue on it. Yeah, and it should be in the bottom. Like that. And the other side, and the other star, I mean, will be on the back side. Okay, so now what we need to do is to make the tree stand in one position. So for that we would need this cardboard, and we're going to draw a circle. Okay, so now as you can see, the circle which I cut it out. Now we need to put some glue on the circle and on the bottom of our tree. Like that. More glue the better. So I'm going to put it on its stand. Just like that. Okay, now I'm going to show its view. So there you go.